1, 3.
4, 5.
Okay. Did you guys know that we've already found a reliable source of energy that would eliminate pollution and not change the way that we live today at all? For decades, scientists have been working to come up with a solution that will save our planet from a polluted future. And yet, one has already been discovered, and this source of energy lies in the ground beneath our feet, and it's called magnetic energy. Today I'm going to tell you guys about the many benefits that come from magnetic energy and how it can help us from stop polluting the planet. Now, first, to stop polluting our planet, we must first realize how damaging and deforming pollution is to Earth. And second, we have to discover what the main causes are that produce the high levels of pollution. And finally, we must think of a new and innovative way to solve this problem from a large-scale federal level all the way down to a personal level. Pollution is a very wide-scale problem, and it affects every aspect of the environment, including ourselves. In an article in the Scientific American, it states that one of the top 10 worst pollution problems is one that lies in your very home, which is indoor air pollution. DoSomething.org, it explains how indoor air is typically about 2 times 5 worse than the air outdoors, and approximately 2.5 million people die each year because of air pollution problems. A further study suggests that out of all the 2.5 million people that die, 500,000 of these were due to diseases which were linked to breathing fine particle air pollution. Now, the effects of pollution on the environment can have adverse or even fatal effects if left to accumulate. Now, acid rain, for example, is precipitation containing harmful amounts of nitric and sulfuric acids. And these acids are released into the atmosphere and whenever the fossil fuels are burned. Acid rain damages trees, makes soil and water unsuitable for fish and other wildlife. So pollution, therefore, is a very significant cause to many deaths worldwide and affects the environment, which can greatly damage our planet. And pollution should not be undermined, and it needs to be addressed in a serious manner. Now, many causes of air pollution are a result of the Industrial Revolution and an overall willingness from society to make a change for the environment. Now, air pollution comes from both natural and man-made sources. And man-made pollutants come from combustion, construction, mining, agriculture, and those are some of the most significant. Now, one of the causes of the rising level of pollutants in the air every year is something that we're all guilty of, which is motor vehicle emission. And factories that also produce our everyday products are one of the number one reasons for polluted air. Now, a report by the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change states that humans have been the primary cause of global warming since 1950. So as much as we would like to think that we're not the problem in fact lies within each and every one of us. And also, the natural disasters that can cause pollution are hurricanes, and they're often involved in water contamination from sewage and petrochemical spills and from damaged boats and vehicles. Now, some severe weather can cause oil rigs or even refineries to become damaged and produce pollution. To help eliminate these causes of pollution, we have to be open to the changes in the way that we live and use green energy more effectively. Now, magnetic energy is the solution to all this. It can be a solution to the majority, if not all, the energy resources that we need to live the way we do today. The federal government needs to realize the potential and the reliability of this type of green energy and legislate mandatory use of this energy that is readily available. And the economy could also benefit from this new source of green energy because it has the potential to create thousands of new jobs, and the government can help catalyze society into using this green energy. Now, the largest of all the changes start with us as individuals and our thoughts towards certain issues. And drastic measures don't have to be taken to make a little difference. Like, say, if you buy a magnetic generator for your home, not only are you, not only is it benefiting the environment, but you're going to benefit from it as well. The generators, they're unbelievably resistant, and they're going to work in pretty much every weather. And you can create free energy for your home with this generator, and you can save a lot of money doing it. And it's very, very low maintenance, and again, it's very environmentally friendly. So basically, magnetic energy has the potential to change the world and how we live by eliminating our dependency on fossil fuels. Now, the many health and environmental problems today we face are result from pollution produced by cars, factories that use fossil fuels to produce energy. Now, steps need to be taken so that we can use this type of green energy and stop polluting our planet. We as individuals can take small steps into eliminating air pollution and bettering our environment. I would like to end this presentation by quoting Susan Rice, and she said, "If you want change, you have to make it, and if we want progress, we have to drive it." Are there any questions?
Does it produce pollution?
No, it doesn't actually. It's just magnetic generators don't produce any pollution at all. It's very environmentally friendly. Yes.
How much does it cost for the magnetic?
The magnetic generators cost anywhere from $1,000 to $2,000, but after that you have no costs at all. It doesn't cost you any money. It provides you with free energy.
Will you benefit from it?
Yeah, it does. It'll actually create a lot more jobs, and you have to make plans for it, obviously. And so that's the one way that you can benefit from it.